guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a bit of a weird one. I saw this on, I think it was Instagram a few weeks ago, and it's basically air fried seafood sticks, which I love. Like I would happily just sit there and eat these from straight from the fridge. But this is, you kind of strip them and you make like air fried seafood stick crisps. Very easy to make. Not done it yet, so this is our first time. So the first thing you do is you just unroll the seafood stick, which sounds easier than it is. So you just find the end, kind of unroll it all the way through. I'm only going to do one or two on camera and I'll just do the rest after. And then what you do then is cut it into strips. So like that, that and that. And whap it in a bowl. And then do another one. And then once you've done that, all you do is you give it a quick spray with some oil, a bit of salt and pepper, mix it up a little bit, and then you air fry it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prepare these now because you don't want to see me doing this. It's just repetitive all the way through. So I'll be back in 2 seconds once I've done all these, and then we'll see how they look.
Yeah.
Okay, right, so now I've shredded it. All you kind of do is you kind of unroll it and then just cut it into strips. Some of them are a lot harder than others. I have no idea why. So now what I'm going to do is just give them a quick spray with oil. I don't think you need too much. I don't even know why I've done this much, to be honest, because I'm the only person that eats it. So now, a bit of salt and pepper. And ignoring the 3-year-old. Bit of everything. Okay, right, so now just mix it up. I might give it another quick spray. Some of them got a lot more pepper than others, but another spray of oil. Should have used a bigger bowl. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the air fryer over and then we'll whap it in. Right, okay, so then that's everything in the air fryer. It's 160 for 15 minutes and you shake it halfway through. So now I'm just going to whap it in and we'll see how it looks in a second. 160. Okay, right, so that was just 15 minutes. Halfway through, I did give them a bit of a stir up. Oh wow, they look totally, well, like dried, crunchy seafood sticks. This is really quite hot, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just let this cool down on a plate for a little bit, and then we'll have a bit of a try. Okay, right, so there we go. Took 15 minutes in an air fryer, really easy to make. Smells exactly how you'd expect it to smell, like a warm seafood stick kind of smell. Texture feels quite good actually, it feels really crunchy. So, have a try. Cooking it definitely dulls the flavour down. It's nice though. I think I need to cook it a little bit longer. That first one I had was a little bit chewy, but the second one, it's exactly like just a crisp, but it tastes like seafood sticks. So I think you could, oh wow, the pepper's nice on it. I think you could like drizzle some sweet chilli sauce or some cocktail sauce or something over it, which would be really quite nice. But no, I definitely recommend this. This is really nice. This is nice little, just a snack to go on the side. Really crunchy, which is really, really good. Jen's not going to try this. She doesn't like fish at all. Won't even entertain it. So, quite a nice little snack for myself. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I know we say at the end of every video, it means a lot that people are watching and subscribing to our channel. It means it's worthwhile. So we will keep on making videos. This is our 4th video of today. And with a 3-year-old pottering around, as you probably heard a minute ago, it's hard. Especially with both of us kind of dipping into the videos. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and we have more videos coming soon. Thank you.